I spilled all my emotions tonight, I'm sorry. Rolling, 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 rolling forward. Give me auto, give me auto, give me auto. Now you.
Oh my god, y'all. It's the next day and I'm struggling. I'm about to go get my nails done, but I just need to straighten my hair like right here because it's a little weird. And then I'll be ready. And I cannot find my chapstick, which is so annoying. Oh my gosh. Let me just take a seat. I'm just like, oh, tired. What is all this stuff in the way? Like, what is this? This is all canned stuff. It's all in the way, but yeah. Last night we stayed out way too late. You know, we old ass aunties and uncles out here. So we do not need to be staying out past 12, and we definitely did. And I am struggling. But I need a chapstick. I just need to curl this one little piece. I wish I didn't have to curl my hair every day, but this is like so annoying. It's like not straight. It's giving crinkle. It's giving crinkle. Still not. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Just gonna curl a little bit like that. Just need that to blend in a little bit more. Oh, my stomach hurt. Okay. So we ready to go. We're about to go get our nails done. Let's go. So y'all know, like the day after, I don't know if everybody else is like this, but the day after I've been like drinking and stuff, I don't be wanting to put on a lot of perfume because it like makes my head hurt. I'm about to go just run some errands. Like I said, my thing is like so dirty. Yeah, I'm about to go run some errands. I have on my little sweats and my top. Yeah, it's better. So, yeah. Still blurry. Oh my god. Morning, y'all. Okay. So, we made it to the nail shop on time. Well, actually, I'm 7 minutes early. So, that is really what's tea. I thought 11 o'clock was like a good time. Like, and I feel like it's a little too early because I'm struggling. And why is this so packed? Damn. It's never this packed even on a Saturday. So I forewent. Is that a word? Like when you forego something? I decided to forego going to the gym today because last night we stayed out way too late. And I just need to like preserve all my energy for the comedy show tonight. Because I don't want to be like tired and dragging all day. So I'm just going to be drinking water. I'll probably need to take like a hair of the dog. That normally works when you're kind of hanging from the night before. I'm not like super hungover. It's just that I woke up at 4 o'clock in the morning. And I take melatonin every night. So like I feel like the quality of my sleep is getting better. But I had something on my mind last night, and I also feel like when I'm drinking a lot, I can't sleep all the way through the night. Like, it's just, you would think that, oh my god, you're gonna come home and crash, but it's like, I literally crash like maybe 3 hours, maybe 4, and then I wake up. So no matter like how late I go to bed, like if I go to bed at 3 o'clock in the morning, like my body wakes up like at 7 or 8. Last night, I think we got into bed like at 1 or so, and I woke up at like 4. I was so hot. Somebody was checking in like at 3 o'clock in the morning, and I thought that I had missed the call because their flight got delayed. So like that kind of stuff was just like annoying. But like unconscious things that you really don't know that's on your brain, but it is really on your brain. But yeah, I can't find my chapstick, like my go-to chapstick. I feel like Ken took it. I like wearing chapstick. I'm taking this girl parking spot. Like, I love wearing lip gloss, don't get me wrong, but like after a night of drinking, when I feel like super dehydrated, I feel like my lips need to be like nourished and like super medicated. You know what I mean? I'm not the only one to think that. I don't think so, but anyway, we made it here, and I gotta get a pedicure, so I might as well go in and start soaking. So let's go. Let's go. We also need to go back to Sephora to get an eyebrow pencil. So hey. Morning.
She almost back, okay?
Okay, is she doing my pedicure too? Look at your brows.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, you got them done here?
No, yeah.
Is it microblading or
Oh no, it's not microblading.
tinted?
What she do? She tattoo it right here.
Oh, okay,
She
okay.
do ombre in the front.
Okay.
So when you look at it, it looks like microblading.
Yeah, it does. It's good. Looks good. I just need to pick a... Yeah, let me pick a color. I don't know what color. Let's pick a color. Let's see. We're in April. Peak of spring. I want this color. I always go for like a pink. I feel like I want to try something different. I'm in like the pastel mood. So the guy that I normally come to is out for the weekend. I'm like devastated because getting my nails done is like a high priority, and I'll be like super picky. I'm a lot to deal with when it comes to getting my nails done, so.
Biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drip, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new paddock, I had to watch, so I two-toned them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. It ain't your car, you just a lease, so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that fire when I'm performing. The back end just came in and out, honest. Vibes galore, cute, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she coming. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can shred. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can shred. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made.
Every other night, another dollar getting made. Every other night started with a good day. I feel like a child, I got boogers in the face. I'm dancing in the dollar, this is a parade. I don't want your chain, I'm going out of slave. I had that shot that too many bitches getting saved. Yes, I'm ready, so I took a private plane. Get like a wild walking on my hand. You too hard, into the car, to the center, to the ground, like a brother's by the name. You too hard, touching on the floor, you gon' walk around the joint, try and run it away.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can shred. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another.
I feel like going to get your nails done is like going into a black box. Like, you never know what the price is going to be. Super annoying. Okay, so we are going to go to Ulta real quick. So we're just going to go to Ulta and pick up the eyebrow pencil because I don't feel like doing all of that. And then I think I'm going to call it a day until later because I'm tired. Like, I'm no good when I'm tired. So, yeah. Shout out to Mimi, she's so sweet. I normally go to this guy named Nick, but he was off like I was saying earlier, so I'm like, I need the next best because, girl, I don't want to start a scene in the nail shop because I take it very, very seriously. Like the entire way, I'm always like very involved with the outcome of my design. But she did a really good job. Like, I still have a couple weeks until Easter, but I felt like I was really into the pastel look Like, it's not too bright. I feel like it's giving just what it needs to give. So yeah, I wasted an entire cup of wine. I needed something to shake me back, but I felt like it was bringing me down. I'm like, oh, never mind. But I think I'm gonna just wait until I get home to have some soup, because when I'm hungover, soup is like tea. Soup is tea. So yeah, I'm gonna call you guys back when I get to Ulta. We're gonna go in there and get one thing. That's it. One thing. Very much something. Very much something. I'm not spending no more excess money, because I know the drinks tonight are gonna be so expensive. We need to figure out a way to like bring our flask. Yeah, we're gonna bring a flask inside. I need to like read the dimension requirements for, wait, NRG Arena. I don't think they had any dimension requirements on your purses the last time we went. So I think that's NRG Stadium. So yeah, I think we should be good. But yeah, I'm definitely taking a flask in, because
Yeah, the money got blood all on it. That bitch with me.
I low-key want to go inside of Specs and be like, are y'all giving out shots? Because I need like a shot so I can like shake back. Because I have 0% effort and energy to give. So yeah, I'm about to also like try to drive to the parking lot at the gym, because Ken said he was going to this gym after he left the property. So we about to slide down and see, you know how I go. You gotta make sure they say where they gonna be at. They're gonna actually be there. All day. Let me see. The gym is right over there. Hold on, people. Hi, how are you? Where is Anastasia Beverly Hills?
Anastasia.
Yeah. I'm just looking for a brow pencil. It smells so good in here. No. Body bag. It smells like it. Huh? Anastasia?
Oh, in the front before the
No, it's okay. I'm gonna go look. Let's see. Oh, girl, it was right in the front. Okay, let's see. Where are, okay, here we go. Here we go. I just need to get, oh, dark brown. Great. Okay. Yeah, this is the one I need. Regular brown. I will not. Oh. Excuse me. Hello. Good, how are you doing? 501. Home Goods needs to take notes from you guys, because they only have email and print and then print. It's like, where's the email only? Like, duh. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Ooh. Getting hotter and hotter. Let me see.
Say you gotta pay for this. Say you gotta pay for this. Ain't no free nuts. Nigga better get his cheeks up.
I literally fell dead to sleep. I need to figure out something to wear ASAP, because at this rate we'll be late. I need to close my door. Don't be looking at my butt. Hold on. So yeah, I feel like for a concert, we just need something like casual, like chic, casual, and also still like sexy. And I told y'all that I really didn't want to wear a heel, but I don't know. Like, I have a heel that's kind of like almost a kitten. Maybe it's like 3.5 inches, like a tall boot. And since it's still April, I think that I can wear a boot. I don't think I ever got a picture in this. This is from BBX brand, but I think I like posted on my Instagram stories. So I might just wear this with like no bra. But I got some makeup in it, I think. Oh, I only wore it once. I don't know. It's one of those days where like stuff is just not falling into place. I would literally have to tie this twice. My chemical pill. Okay, I need to get it together. Hopefully it'll just come to me, because right now I'm just like, I don't know. Okay. I'm gonna call y'all back in a little bit. What's this? Should have this in an extra small. This is so, I don't know. Okay, I don't know. I'm gonna call y'all back because Ken is gonna be up in a little bit, and I know he's gonna be like rushing me. I swear I just got my lashes done, and they're already like falling out like crazy. Okay, yeah, I'll be back. Okay, y'all. Hi. So I decided to do a little hair of the dog before I did my makeup, just to like, oh my god, I just spilled it. Just so that I can shake back, because I'm like, it is 5:50. We came home like at maybe 1 o'clock last night. I woke up at maybe like 8 or 9, and I'm still struggling. It's a mess. Cheers. Ciroc never fails. So I'm about to get ready. I just want to kind of like vibe out, listen to some music and stuff. So I don't know if you guys want to come with me just to like put on my makeup or no, but I think I'm just gonna catch back up with y'all once I finish, just so that I can get my mojo going, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm gonna holler at y'all probably like in an hour, because I think we need to leave here no later than 7 and it's 6. Okay guys, so what's poppin'? I'm back 20 minutes later. 20 minutes. I'm not one of those girls that take 2 hours to get ready and still be looking the same. I'm just gonna leave it right there. But I just decided to wear, see, I don't know if I'm gonna wear this because I have all my Skims underneath, and it's like, they so high. I just want it to be a little bit lower. This entire set, look at my boobs. I'm giving sex kitten. It's from Naked Wardrobe. I don't know if I've been wearing push-up bras lately, so I'm trying to like experiment and try something new. But we're gonna see. I'm asking what he thinks, because I want to be comfortable and I don't want it to be like over spilling. But yeah, let me get my shoe. Turn that down because I don't want to get copywritten. So I normally will wear these boots with no socks, but I just got my toes done and I don't want to mess them up. But I don't think I'm gonna wear this bra because I keep spilling over. Like, that's not cute. Like, from the side it looks a mess, from the front it looks good. So I might just have to change everything. And I have something in my pants. It's like a bubble. The last time I went to a comedy show, I wore these boots, and we had to walk so far, and it was like not even bad at all. Like my ankles were so supported. Yeah, I love the way that looks. Like it's such a contrast. I don't know if you guys can see it. Okay, you guys can't see it. Let me bring it down a little bit. Oh no, like this. Oh, I hope my panties not on the floor. Let's see. These boots, I just like the way this look. Like it's super chic, like comedy vibes, comfortable, it's given, but not like too much, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go change bras real quick, and then I'm gonna catch y'all later because Ken ass is running late per usual. He just got up. Yesterday he made us like so late for dinner, but it was okay because it was really empty. Oh, I'm hot. But yeah, let me get myself together because I feel like since I have a little bit of time, I need to like perfect this outfit. You know what I mean? Like my go-to earrings. Yeah, I really need to wear these Skims because I'm so full and I need my stomach to be like, so yeah, I'm gonna just wear like the, yeah, what y'all think? Y'all think it's given? I'm gonna change my bra though, but I think everything else is good. So I'm gonna do my perfume and stuff, and then we're gonna be out. I just put a little brown lip liner from NYX on my lips and a L'Oreal lipstick. This is my favorite combination, and I get questions about this on my Instagram story. So I do like NYX, what is this? NYX Espresso? Yeah, NYX Espresso. And then L'Oreal Sparkling Rose 908. This is like the creamy, like the Color Rich Shine lipstick because I hate like a drying one. And then I put the Fenty Beauty cream on top that y'all saw me get yesterday, but this is my old one, Fenty Glow. What's tea? And then a little light beat. Boom. Okay, I changed my bra, so now it's like a lot better. I don't know why it's so dark in here, but yeah. Okay, so now I'm just about to put my purse and stuff together. Gotta switch my purse. And this one is new. I'm gonna cut this in the club. I'm gonna switch my purse to this Jacquemus. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'm gonna just switch everything in there. I don't think I need my external charger today. So yeah, I'm just gonna wear this little crossbody ornament. Let's see. You guys see? Okay, hopefully it doesn't fall. I'm just gonna wear it like this. It's giving chocolate dimension. So yeah. I think it's cute. I hope my Skims don't be showing in the back, but if they do, Ken will let me know. So, and we already, I'm putting my perfume, so I'm gonna wear this one again because this one be given, and I'm gonna mix it. I'll mix a little bit of this Gucci Flora. I love this. I love this perfume. So good. I put on my watch. Y'all see my nails? My Easter nails? Even though we have 2 weeks, but I always be trying something different. I don't care. I'm about to pop a BC too because the way your girl is set up right now, and I don't know where any of my other rings are. Like I be trying to do a little something, you know? But yeah, I'm gonna pop a BC before I go out because I'm not about to be like this today. Preparation is key, people. Do you know where the plastic flask is?
I really don't.
I think, okay, I'm gonna look in the pantry. Ooh. Okay, let's do this. A little bit more. Nice. So Took one for the team. Okay, so we're about to go see some more. I don't think I ever told y'all. It's some more Lavelle Crawford, Tony Rock. I think I did. I think I told y'all Tony Rock. And then I forget the other than Ernest. Something. I don't know. I'm going to see some more in Lavelle Crawford because that's who I grew up on. It's gonna be good. I'm so excited. Yeah, finna be lit. Lit. Finally made it to the comedy show venue and my hair is completely falling. I'm with the babe. He says I never post him on my stuff, so here we go.
Let's go! Look at me, hamburger helper. I want some greens. I want some real food, goddammit. You put your food in the oven on Saturday night for Sunday. If you ain't sticking your tongue out of your mouth ain't open, you ain't doing it right. Who grandmama is this right here doing this shit? I played this for the ladies. This nigga straight it up. Sit y'all. I see some of y'all got on some outfits you shouldn't have worn, but okay. I ain't playing like that new shit right now. I want to know when you go to work. Alright, listen up. Here we go. That's how you know right here. Verse right here. Here you go.
You know you could have been the way you swept me off my feet. You know you could have been a broom. Oh, really? You so sweet. You know you could have been some perfect.
The car lady, the first lady. Here we go.
Come
So we just got home. I'm about to go to sleep. Spencer, stop acting like a freaking psycho right now. Okay. I'm gonna go to sleep. I was just like touching base because the comedy show was lit. Like lit. So we're about to, we went to get some fast food, which is so bad, but we are starving. So we're about to eat and hit the sack, and that's gonna be the end of this vlog. I hope you guys loved it. Hope that we get more than 10 views this time. Yeah, but I love you guys.